Okay, we are live again. Okay. Hello, Nikita. Let me just open the session on my phone so that I can read your chat. Okay. Let's see who all turn up. Okay, 10 people watching. Give me a hi in the chat, people. Come on. Give me a hi in the chat. Okay. Good evening, people. A lot of new people again who were not there in the last session. Nikita, then Dhriti Brata, Rishita. Okay. I guess Neha and Swalika were there. Let's just wait for everybody to join in. We're gonna wait for one last minute. Hey Nitin, how are you? Again, all the new people join the Telegram channel, guys. Guys, you don't face any issues with the sound quality, right? Like you guys are perfectly fine with it. I hope you don't face any issues with that. Okay, let's go. I guess we are ready to roll, people. Okay, so welcome back to the stream, guys. I'm Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, then mentored approximately 25,000 people plus over my YouTube webinars. So, other than that, I have the teaching experience of approximately 1 year, and I am a mentor at different places. But the subjects that I usually take are Java, C++, data structures, algorithms, Flutter and Dart. That is app development, and a little bit of web development also, which I'm doing nowadays with you guys. And also, then we can talk about some. DBMS SQL, which I will be coming with in the coming days for you guys. And again, some aptitude for interview preparation. So, a lot of things which I have. Okay. Other than that, guys, I have the career as a developer subscription for you guys. I tell you a lot about the subscription because this is just perfect. So basically, you get a lot of things, a variety of topics in 999 rupees. You can get it for 899 if you use the code Kabir. That is an extra 10% off on your entire billing amount. So you can get guidance on placement in top product companies, and you can beat the odds and get a good placement. You can solve problems live, make a good profile on code chef. You can do over the weekend projects, so a lot of fun coming through your way if you go for that. You have Raj, that is he is a very big YouTuber in the field of coding. He has 1 lakh plus subscribers. Striver, also known as Striver. So he takes the college projects session every Friday night at 10 p.m. He will come and tell you about what your project is, how you can make good projects. Then you can get your projects reviewed. So if you get your project reviewed, he's going to tell you what is wrong, what is right, how you can just improve your project and all that. So this is everything that you can do. Okay, yes, they will guide you. Okay, if you haven't liked the stream, it's a bad thing, because I want you guys to like the stream. Okay, so hit the like button. It is totally utterly free. Okay, so it's totally free for you guys, totally free. Hit the like button. ऐसे ऐसे करके 15 लाइक्स हो जाएंगे if you guys hit the like button. ठीक है, तो they will not only guide you, they will also check your projects and give you proper reviews कि क्या change करना है क्या नहीं करना. ठीक है, coming back to our website, just hosted it on posted it on GitHub. So I'll do one thing. I'll get this link added to the description. Give me 1 sec. I'll just get in touch with the team. Give me one second. So okay, I've put up the request. They will change it in like the next 5 to 7 minutes. Till then, we can at least start our project. Yeah, are you guys ready? Okay, chalo. So basically, till now, what we have done, let's see on the live server. We just made it in the last class. So we have our I am Kabir Singh, a programmer, a good image, a circular profile image of mine. Hello, I am an educator and I love to code all day. My skills. Then a C++ is CSS, Flutter, and HTML symbol. Pretty good for the start. Pretty nice. So guys, this project can give you an idea on what to do. Okay, so you can also make a project like this in the portfolio kind of a thing. Okay. चलो ठीक है तो now I gave a simple task to you guys to tell me how I can resize the like image of CSS and HTML which is extremely big. So I want to resize it. Anybody who came up with a solution? Anyone who's there and has come up with a solution? Anybody? No? The simple solution to this thing is we are not using pixels. If I hit a control X, S, and now go to my image, do you see how small the HTML image has become? It's not even visible anymore. So we need to increase it from 20 pixels to maybe 50, not 50, 80 pixels of width and 80 pixels of height. Control S this thing. Let's see what happens. Does it grow big? Oh yes, it does. So if I am on 100% zoom, this is how it would look. So I would prefer to make it a little more big, at least. Okay, let's come to C++ first. ठीक है, सबसे पहले C++ का size देखते हैं. So C++ is our logo 1, right? So our logo 1 should be 50, no, it should be 100 pixels, and it should be 100 pixels. So do you understand, guys? Basically just a small thing which you won't even realize that is happening in your code. You have to just change it up and you will get the perfect solution to it. So our C++ went small. Let's just copy this, make everything 100 pixels, and remove the border radius. Control S this thing. Everything is going to turn small. Okay, so looks good. And I'll just show you the sample project. Okay, let's just not go there, but yeah, you can see it, right? So you have C++, you have HTML, CSS, and things. I know it says Java, but it's okay. It's just a template. Okay, understood? So after that, what we can do is I really wanna change this thing and I wanna keep it like a C++ thingy. So, you know, the logo on the left, the text on the right, and then the text on the left and the logo on the right. That's what I've been telling you from a long time now. So I really want to change this up and I want to kind of design this thing. So let's get to the designing of the rows. Okay. Let's go. Um, Okay. Let's do one thing. So I have gone with 4 skills. I'll go up with only 2. That is my Flutter and my, I'll go with 3. My Flutter, my HTML and my C++. So I'll remove the Java over here. I'll remove this code. And what I am going to do is create a different division for every skill. So this division is skill rows. So I'll just close the div and then I'll open a new div. Correct? And now I'll put the next code over here, that is Flutter, and the last code of HTML over here. Okay? Easy? Did you guys understand? Not much of a difficulty. All I did was shifted it from one div to 3 different divs. Do you understand? Or is it very difficult? And now I'll just give the same class, that is skill rows, to all of them. Okay? Yes, guys? Any trouble? Any issues? Yes or no? Okay. Now, what I am going to do is basically in my CSS file for my skill row. Okay. In my CSS file for my skill rows, I am going to change things. Understood? Yes or no? So the only mistake that I made was it's like skill rows. So I should be like skill row 1, skill row 2. Yep. So 1, 2, and 3. Hit a Control S. It stays the same. Doesn't change much. Stays the same code. Not going to change it at all. The only thing which is going to change is that now I'll be able to code the CSS file for all the skill rows differently, because I need to place the image of every skill row on a different place and of every and the text of every skill row in the different place. Correct? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, people. Okay. So now what I want is to my C++ to be on the left. Okay. That is my skill row 1. Okay. So my skill row 1 should be of a specific width, should have a specific margin, and should have text aligned. Okay. Understood? So if I go here and I start coding my skill row, that is skill row 1. So it should have a width of approximately 50%. The margin, it should have a margin, right? It should have a margin from top, bottom, right, center. So from top, it should have 100 pixels. From bottom, it should be auto. And then from from left it should be auto, from bottom it should be 100 pixels, and from the right again auto. If I hit a Control S, let's see what happens in my project. For now nothing, because one more thing is left, is the text align. So, and the text align should be from the left. I guess that is enough. Yep, guys. Yes or no? Server, I'm not showing it right now. I'm going to code the entire thing first and then I'll show you the server. If that works, that is better, right? Okay. Now, if my first row has the text on the left, the second row has the text on the right, correct? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this and paste it. I'll make this skill row 2 and I'll put it at right. I'll copy it again, and in the third one, it will be on the left again. So easy. So one left, one right, and another left. Not much of a task. Yup, guys. Give me a yes or a no, people. Yes. So this is what is happening now, that I am kind of using my skill rows, and then this is what is happening. So basically there is one text on the left, the other text on the right, and then the next text on the left. Okay. This is how I'm trying to align it, and it is kind of working, but not in a very good way, because my image is kind of good but not very appropriate. Yup. Yes or no, people? Give me a yes or a no. Yes. So this is what is happening. Just a little image sizing would be better, and it should look a little good. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन डू. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं. स्किल रो 1, स्किल रो 2, ये सब कर लिया हमने. एंड देन डिव क्लास स्किल रो 1 है, स्किल रोज 1 है. ठीक है, अभी कंट्रोल एस हिट करेंगे. ठीक है, स्किल रो 1 हैज बीन कोडेड ओवर हियर. So everything is almost sorted. Just there should be a little larger image and larger text. Yup. And the text should be, तो image positioning सही हो गई है. Image positioning perfect हो गई है, बस text रहता है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले image का size बढ़ाते हैं. Let's make it 200 pixels. Don't worry, you'll get all these codes on your GitHub profile, and it looks fab, being very honest. So now I have C++, I have Flutter, and I have HTML over here. Okay, so now all we need to do, and all that is left, is my text. है ना? Text ही रह गया सिर्फ, बाकी सब तो sorted है. Yes or no, guys? जल्दी बताओ. या ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, तो सब कुछ सॉर्टेड है, टेक्स्ट रहता है. ठीक है, तो how we can do the text? Wait. ओके, ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले तो लेट्स सी इफ इट इज इन द राइट टैग्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है, H3 में मेरा CSS है, पैरा में मेरा ये है. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, द एंटायर पेज डिजाइनिंग विल बी डन लेटर. ठीक है, लेट्स फर्स्ट फिनिश अप द लास्ट थिंग. लुकिंग एट आवर नोट्स, वेयर आर आवर नोट्स? Remember what we are left with? Just the contact details. We are done with the head. हेडिंग हमने कर लिया है, प्रोफाइल हमने कर लिया है, स्किल्स हमने कर लिया है, जस्ट द कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आर लेफ्ट. और कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स कैसे होंगे? कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स विल बी लिंक्ड. अंडरस्टूड? कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स विल बी लिंक्ड. तो कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स में टेल मी व्हाट ऑल सोशल्स डू यू वांट टू पुट. जल्दी बताओ कौन कौन से सोशल्स डाल रहे हैं. इंस्टाग्राम और क्या डालना है? लिंक्डइन. जल्दी बताओ व्हाट ऑल डू यू वांट टू पुट. यू वांट टू पुट इंस्टाग्राम, यू वांट टू पुट लिंक्डइन. ओके, ट्विटर, आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्टिव ऑन ट्विटर बट ओके, वील पुट इट. और क्या डालना है? ईमेल. ठीक है, बट ईमेल ठीक है डाल सकते हैं, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, बट ठीक है, वियर्ड बट ओके, ईमेल डालते हैं. और तो मतलब बस एक ही लास्ट डिव क्लास बनेगी, है ना? लास्ट डिव क्लास बनेगी एंड इसका टाइटल होगा क्लास का कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, या सिर्फ कॉन्टैक्ट. ठीक है, टेलीग्राम लिंक डालते हैं. हाँ, वेरी गुड वॉरशिप डीमन, टेलीग्राम लिंक डालते हैं. और ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो हेडिंग आ जाएगी. ठीक है, गेट इन टच. Name, contact number. Okay, I won't give my contact number. Like I won't put the contact number. Like ऐसा नंबर लीक हो जाएगा, तो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर नहीं डालेंगे. ठीक है, बट हाँ ठीक है, ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं अभी. फॉर मोर क्वेरीज, सॉरी क्वेरीज, डिटेल्स, डिटेल्स. ठीक है, फॉर मोर डिटेल्स गेट इन टच. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. चलो, अब क्या करना है? नाउ वी हैव टू स्टार्ट लिंकिंग. लिंक के लिए कौन सा टैग यूज होता है? आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू वन टैग विच इज यूज्ड फॉर लिंकिंग. टेल मी विच टैग डू वी यूज? People who have attended the session from the day one, which tag do we use? href. Okay, we use the a tag and we use the href to put the link. So I'll put my LinkedIn here. Let me go over here. Okay, copy, paste. Same goes for my LinkedIn हो गया. Let's go for the this thing, Telegram. Okay, done. Let's go for my GitHub. Also, guys, I have totally changed every social of mine, leaving my Instagram, every social of mine to Kabir Singh codes. Like my LinkedIn, my Twitter, my GitHub, everything can be searched by Kabir Singh codes only now. So anytime you wanna go and check something out, you can see my GitHub has Kabir Singh codes as my username. My Telegram is Kabir Singh codes. My LinkedIn is Kabir Singh codes. So everything is the same. So that, like, I realized that some username was 04, some was 05, etc, etc. So I know it becomes weird. So you can just go and have a look every time you wanna just see something. ठीक है, यहाँ पे the first thing is LinkedIn. The second thing is Telegram. The third thing is GitHub. Works. Control S. Let's see if it changes on the live server also. Okay, let me show it to you. It did change on the live server, but not very good. It's like get in touch for more details, and then वो अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है. Like it's not very good, very perfect or very nice looking. So we need to still style it up. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no, people? तो स्टाइल करने के लिए वापस से we'll have to do थोड़ा सा मेहनत. ठीक है, तो yeah, GitHub. I've put up GitHub. It's there. The third link is GitHub only. तो इसको क्लास को बोल देते हैं लिंक. Control Z. Same goes for every thing, ताकि वो बार बार हो जाए. ठीक है. Like, are you talking about my personal GitHub link or something, or I included it or not? It's there. The third one is GitHub only. ठीक है. ठीक है, तो now what we have to do is kind of just style it up. ठीक है, तो let me do one thing. I already have this written. Let's not waste much time. So we'll go for link, and we'll go for link over. Control F this thing. I'm sorry for the crackers, not my kind of a problem. Chalo. Give me one sec. Okay. So let's just show one thing to you. I'll just display it and then I'll explain it. I didn't want to waste much time. Adding image along with the links. Yes. So see, what I've done is I have just converted it into three boxes, that is LinkedIn, Telegram, and GitHub. So I'll just show that if I hover over them, it kind of displays this. Understand? Can you see? And I think it's totally on the edge. So I should add a bottom nav bar, not a bottom nav bar, it's a bottom bar kind of a thing. So if I add that bottom bar, it's gonna look better. So let's just create one last div. I know that I told that this would be the last div, but I guess we will need it. So let's go for a div, and I'll name the class as bottom bar. Okay, and now we'll have to code the bottom bar. So this bottom bar is gonna be your entire thing. Okay, so this will be the entire last thing. So we can write something like this inside a para. So let's go for a paragraph. Okay. Okay. And let's name this class as copyright, because obviously I am making this project. So we can make it like this. I copied the C symbol from Google, so that's why I just did it over here. Okay. Acha. And बॉटम का थोड़ा सा कलर भी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। सो द बॉटम बार शुड बी ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक कलर ना, तो बॉटम बार का कलर कैसा होगा, सॉरी डॉट बॉटम बार का कलर शुड बी, बैकग्राउंड कलर should be this one, and there should be a padding, ठीक है। और पैडिंग रखते हैं 50 पिक्सल्स, देन 0 पिक्सल्स, देन 20 पिक्सल्स, ठीक है। कंट्रोल एस, देखते हैं क्या होता है लाइव सर्वर पे। Okay, so if you can see, there's a new bar which has come up. ठीक है, ये हो गया, न्यू बार हैज कम अप, तो एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड. द ओनली थिंग विच इज लेफ्ट इज a little, we just need something which is missing. I guess something is missing. Let me just check. Let's code the copyright also. Okay, works. Okay, how does it look to you guys? Tell me, does it look good? Give me a yes or a no. Does it look good to you guys? Is it appealing, or do you want some changes? We are going to change this obviously right now. We are going to put it over here. उसका कोई टेंशन नहीं है, but बाकी चीजें tell me. Yes, it's good. Any changes? Feel free to tell me if you want any changes. Yes, it's good. Okay. So let's fix this. Wait. So after our this thing, we have contact. Control S करते हैं इसको. And in this, so it's very simple. See, it's very simple right now. It does not have much of a design or something, but I guess it still justifies that it looks good as a that kind of a thing. Like it looks good as a website for the start. Come on guys, give me any ideas if you have. What about putting it on Chrome? Okay, putting it on Chrome, we will be putting it through GitHub. Also, I will explain one thing. There is something called as a GitHub's student pack. So if you go to GitHub student pack, this is a student pack which all the students get for free. Okay, so all you have to do is go to Google and write GitHub student pack. Go to your GitHub student pack over here, sign in. You'll get signed in, and then you can click on get your pack. So when you click on get your pack, you will be asked for your college ID card. So click a picture or scan your college ID card and submit it over there. It will take some time to kind of tell you verify your account. After verifying, they'll give you all these offers. So they'll give you Canva Premium, they'll give you DigitalOcean, they'll give you Namecheap. So affordable registration, hosting, and domain management. So you can host your website on Namecheap. Then they'll give you Microsoft name.com. This. So you will get one free domain. So any one .com domain, I guess, you'll get it for free. So right now, my resume is on kabirsingh.codes, and this .codes is taken by the GitHub student pack only. Okay? So you can get it from there. Once you get it from there, you will have to go and upload. So I have two domains. I have a tech.tech domain and I have a name.com domain. So I guess kabirsingh.text bhi maine wahi likha hua hai. Like this was something dumb I did, but okay. I don't remember. Nahi, abhi I haven't hosted it. So it's only there on kabirsingh.codes. So you can get .tech domain also. So basically what happens, what is a domain? Domain and hosting are two different things in web development. So domain is something which is at the end of your website name after dot. So it's .com, .codes, .social, .xyz, etc, etc. Other than that, there is hosting. So hosting means kind of a rented room on Chrome for your website. Understood? Yes or no, guys? So this is the insights of web development. I did not know this before I started everything. I was being very honest, not a very good programmer when I made my first ever website. I can't show it to you now because I changed my GitHub from Kabir Singh 04 to Kabir Singh Codes, and then that vanished. So a little weird thing which I did, but okay. I guess it was worth it. So now people can just search Kabir Singh Codes, so you can just get everything. Okay. So if you just go and Google Kabir Singh Codes, you'll get everything. Okay, no, you will get तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, so not my fault, but yeah. ठीक है, तो simple चीज है कि first align everything seamlessly. So maybe align if your name is Nitin Singh, keep everything as something different than Nitin Singh, but related to it. Like I kept it as Kabir Singh Codes. So you can also write Nitin the programmer or something like that, because that kind of, if you have a very unique name, it's a different thing. But if you have something in common, like Nitin is a very common name, so you can change your name of GitHub and change your username and put it something which is related to Nitin but kind of different. ठीक है? Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Come on. Did you guys understand? तो मैं ये रिकमेंड करूंगा कि whenever you're going for your LinkedIn or your resume or your GitHub, keep everything in one name. मैंने ये गलती करी थी in the starting. I did this mistake that I kept everything different. Something was Kabir Singh Tech, something was Kabir Singh Codes, something was Kabir Singh 04, something was Kabir Singh 05. So वो हो गया था पूरा. अब जाके everything has got aligned since I've started streaming over here, because people have started knowing me by the name of Kabir Singh Codes now. So that's why I'm getting everything back to Kabir Singh Codes. ठीक है? तो अच्छा, अभी tomorrow से, from tomorrow we'll be starting this website and in 2 days we'll finish it up. So when you refresh it, you get this animation. पता नहीं अभी आएगा या नहीं, अभी नहीं आएगा, वापस से खोलता हूँ. So the animation is not coming right now, but you'll get one animation. But even if you don't get it, this is what you will do. So till then you can you can get your avatar. So go to Google, find avatar maker, make an avatar for yourself, and keep your details ready. So by tomorrow we'll start everything and finish it up in 2 days. That is Saturday and Sunday. Monday say spectacular flutter course coming up on code beyond, not easy code, दूसरे चैनल जो code beyond है उस पे आ रहा है, तो उसके लिए भी आना है सबको. ठीक है. So come up and see what happens. Let's see how we get through things and we'll have a lot of fun. ठीक है. Understood, boys and girls? We will be having a lot of fun by the end of this month. पूरा मंथ के एंड तक हम बहुत मजे मारेंगे. तो प्लीज जॉइन इन एंड गेट योर फ्रेंड्स अलोंग so that we have more and more fun. Any doubts till now? Any doubts, people? Come on, any doubts? Come on, guys. If you don't have a doubt, write no doubt. Okay, I don't think anybody has a doubt. Are you sure, guys? No doubts? No, not yet. Okay. So keep your ideas ready. Also, the people who are facing any issues in making websites, you have the code in the description. So either refer to this code or you can go and have a look at the other projects also. ठीक है. So there is share your code with Kabir Singh as a form in the description below. You can have a look at that also. So either you can share your code with me or just write your problem that you're facing and I'll tell it in the next session. Okay. So if you have any doubts, just tell me up. I'll solve them. Okay. No doubt. Okay, guys. Then I'll see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Come live at 5. So you can, no, you won't come live. I'll come live, obviously, but you can come and watch me live at 5 p.m. And we'll be making a good website like this. So having a lot of fun, making a beautiful website, which is very simple and looks perfect so that we can have a good resume. ठीक है. Chalo. So thank you so much, guys, for coming in. It was really great having you. And from tomorrow we'll be having this entire session. So thank you so much. Have a nice evening and Again, a happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. See you guys tomorrow at 5 p.m. Bye bye.